friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of Pokemon Go. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Pokemon Go and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end we go to Play Store. Then here in this page you will search about Pokemon Go app, Pokemon, like this, and you click, and then we'll update your app here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us.